What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John, and today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're looking at the Savage 500 watt LED studio light kit I picked up at Best Buy for $135. If you're getting into photography, this is something that you're really going to want. If you're getting into videography, this is something that you're also really going to want. If you are shooting in a place with low lighting, if you're shooting in a low lighting environment, such as the one that I am using, I picked this up at $135. It will up your production value tremendously. I am positive of it. This particular LED light kit came with 2 lights, with 2 umbrellas, with 2 stands. So I'm really excited that I'll be able to have one umbrella over the product that I'll be reviewing, and another umbrella looking at myself to give me some light. So there should be plenty of light in my upcoming videos. I am super excited to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of this 500 watt LED studio light kit by Savage. Let's go ahead and get into it. So you get this very premium box. It comes with LED chip technology, so each energy efficient 35 watt LED bulb generates the equivalent of 250 watts incandescent light. Specifications we'll get into in just a second, but right now let's go ahead and take everything out of the box here. So what is included in this box, we'll go ahead and we'll do it as we unbox it. So we get this really cool carrying case here, and we'll go ahead and put the box down and off to the side there. So we get this really nice carrying case. It's not extremely nice. I wouldn't say that it's really nice, but you get this carrying case for your light kit, which is awesome. A few months ago, I actually bought a green screen online from Walmart, and it came with a carrying case too, about the same quality, except it didn't have any branding on it or any lettering on it. So what's really nice is you get this remote with some instructions to go with it, so you know how to use the remote. So that's really cool. So we'll keep that off to the side here. And of course we get our bulbs. So we've got 2 bulbs in there, of course, for 2 lights. And we've got some other stuff in here. This is going to be a pretty lengthy and in-depth unboxing. Here are our umbrellas. So that's really nice. We get these really cool umbrellas. And let's see, what else do we have? Oh, this will be our stand, I'm assuming. So we'll go ahead and we shall do an unboxing of it. Let's go ahead and see what these guys look like here. Okay, so yeah, here are our stands. So we get one stand, put that over here. Our second umbrella. And our second stand. And I'll go ahead and unbox that for you guys. I'll go ahead and lay these things off to the side. Throw the bag off to the side because we don't need it now. We're gonna go ahead and set up these lights today and make another video. We're gonna be doing a couple videos today. So there's the second stand. Well, I'm gonna put it with the other stand over there. All right, so here's the remote. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Guys, I am so excited to finally have some lights, some more light in the house. I'm getting this yellow kind of dingy look. You know, I don't know the correct word for it, but I'm getting this yellowish look in my videos that I really need to get rid of. So hopefully these LED lights will solve that problem. Maybe they won't. Maybe they'll give it more of a bluish tint. I don't know. We'll go ahead and pop the batteries into this remote. So for 135 bucks, you get a pretty decent amount of kit here. You get 2 lights, which is really nice. I was expecting to get 1 light today, but instead I got 2. But as you can probably imagine, everything is kind of cheap and chintzy. This remote is just, you know, cheap plastic. but it should do for now. I'm really not interested a whole lot in this type of gear, like lights and stuff, but because there's just so much here, and you know, it's really a lot to deal with, a lot of packaging and a lot of moving parts that you have to set up to make videos. But you know what? It's something that it's an obstacle as a video maker that you must get over if you want to up your production quality, because lighting is super important. So let's go ahead and maybe open up some more of these boxes here to see what you get. So we've got the 2 umbrellas here, which is really cool. And let's see here, we've got, I guess, the mounts for the light bulbs. Yeah, these are mounts for the light bulbs, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that. A couple of mounts there that probably just simply attach to the top of the stand. And let's see what's in here. And we have a second mounting set for the second stand. And of course we have our LED bulb, Energy Saver Solutions. So these are 5500K, 110 to 230 volt, 35 watts, daylight, extra bright, remote control. Do they come with filters? That is a good question. Do they come with filters? Let's go ahead and find out right now if they come with filters. So there we have it. Okay, so there's our bulb. Really nice bulb, actually. You know, I really don't know the quality of this bulb, but it is very bright. That's what it looks like right there. If you guys can see it well. Get this really nice bulb here. So plastic on the top, not glass. In fact, the entire construction of the bulb is plastic, but that's okay for now. You know what? I'm really gonna have to invest in some crates for this stuff, like to keep it organized. So let me know if you guys would like to see a video of like a review of a really nice crate or something, or a really nice container to keep all of this organized, and we'll do a video. And I'll sort of have like what's in my crate, do a video of like what's in my crate. So if you guys can drop a thumbs up on this video, I'll go ahead and head out to Bed Bath & Beyond or to Target or something and get a really nice crate to keep all of this stuff in, because there really is a lot here. So we'll do like an organization video. Okay, so it looks like it does come with some filters, I guess. So we get a blue filter here, which is really cool. And we also get an orange filter, which is really cool. Not sure that I'm gonna be using those, but again, I need the crate so that I can organize and stow these things away for a day that I actually do need them. So we'll go ahead and throw those off to the side, and I'm not going to unbox the second, thank God it's plastic. I'm not going to unbox the second light bulb. I think that's plenty. So this is what all it comes with. So what it comes with is a 250 watt dimmable LED studio lights, 2 umbrella sockets and 9-foot power cords, 2 33-inch translucent reflector umbrellas, 2 6-foot light stands, 2 removable warming cooling domes, 1 remote control, and 1 carry bag. So that's what this box comes with. That's what this kit includes. And it also advertises 85% energy savings, which is really cool. And of course, they're 500 watt. Oh, and you get the carrying case. We know that. By Savage, $135. You can pick it up at Best Buy. I am certain this is a tried and trusted investment. This is a very secure investment option, going for a light kit for your videos or photos, whatever you're interested in. You can pick it up at Best Buy. The Savage 500 watt LED studio light kit is a big box good. My name is John, and I will see you guys in the next video.